behalf of the principal ma'am and all the students for conducting such a nice event. There was a lot of panel of doctors over here, and whatever they have shared, the information was very useful to us. It was very helpful. Will it be the eye specialist or the dietitian or the pediatric? Everybody was so good in their own fields, and they have shared such a lot of good information with us that we will remember for all through of our lives. And I really congratulate the school for organizing such a wonderful event.
We all are doctors, very happy and obliged to be here on this special health forum, being an holistic approach on children's well-being.
This is a very separate thing, like connecting an education and a medical thing together, and I think we all guys will be agreeing with that thing. We will continue this in the future also, and we will be happy to come again and again to such events and have a discussion with the parents and the school staff too.
Nurturing little lives. It has given an opportunity for us doctors also to come today here and speak about our specialities, telling the kids and their parents, telling them about how to take care and nurture and have a good life after.
The session was quite informative, and I like that we had a panel of doctors who talked about diabetes in children. A very well conducted seminar. I would like to congratulate the school for conducting the whole seminar.